Hi, I'm James Clark, a lawyer specialising in data protection and digital regulation at Spencer West. In this series, I give you the need-to-know information about a new or upcoming digital law in 3 minutes. Digital laws include those regulating things like AI, cybersecurity, and data. For each law, we answer 5 questions. Who does the law apply to? What does the law require you to do? When is it in force? Where does it apply? And why is it important? In this episode, we're looking at the Data Act. So let's get started. Who? The Act imposes obligations on manufacturers of connected products. These are products capable of collecting or receiving data. So, for example, a smart TV, an IoT sensor in a warehouse, or a digital medical device. What? The Act gives rights to users of connected products, whether those users are consumers or businesses. It allows users to request access to all data generated by the product, either for the user's own purposes or so the user can give the data to a third party who wants to be able to use that data to provide a related service. Think, for example, of a smart home dashboard that wants to be able to track data from various appliances in your home. The homeowner would have rights under the Data Act to obtain data generated by each smart appliance and to send that data to a third party, the provider of the smart home dashboard. The manufacturer of each smart appliance would have obligations as a data holder under the Data Act to make data available. For those of you who are familiar with the open banking regime in Europe, it's a bit like that, only for connected products rather than bank accounts. Importantly, there are limited exemptions from the requirement to provide product data in order to protect things like trade secrets and cybersecurity, and to stop other companies from creating competing products. When? The main provisions of the Act apply from September 2025, so now is the perfect time to get on top of this. And where? The Act applies to any manufacturers who are putting connected products onto the market in the EU, regardless of whether those manufacturers are themselves established in the EU. So, if you're selling connected products into the EU, then it's likely you're caught by the Data Act. And finally, why is this important? This is an open data law. It forces companies to open up access to data generated by their products in order to give the users of those products more control over that data and to encourage the growth of new markets in related services. If your business makes, distributes or sells connected products and you haven't already worked out how the Data Act applies to you, then please get in touch. Thank you.